Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be an owner or have member rights to add channels. Open the team's app or web and pick the team where the channel will live. Once done, decide whether this needs to be a standard channel that everyone sees or a private one limited to specific people. Choose now because it affects visibility and files. Make sure you know the channel purpose and who needs access before moving on to create it. You click the team's three-dot menu and select Add Channel to open the creation dialog. Type a clear name and concise description so others understand its purpose, then pick Standard or Private Privacy. Once done, choose if you want to auto-favorite the channel for members or leave it optional. Next, configure channel moderation and posting permissions to control who can post and reply. Finally, add tabs or apps like files. You review the channel settings and click Add to create it, then post a welcome message and tag relevant people to draw attention. For private channels, you must add specific members immediately and make sure they can see the channel from their accounts. If someone cannot access it, check your owner role, team-level policies in the admin center, and whether Teams is updated. Sometimes a cache or app restart resolves visibility issues. If problems persist, escalate to your IT admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.